Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. It's me, Amazing Anad, and today I'm going to share to you an interesting book entitled Nature's Numbers by Ian Stewart. But some of you, including me, is not a fan of reading, so I'll just show you something instead. So for today, we're going to try face painting while sharing to you what's within the chapter 1 of the book. It's all about natural order. Let's get started! Before I started doing the face painting, I already have applied moisturizer to protect my skin. I started painting the pattern of petals in flowers. According to Stewart on page 4, a very curious pattern indeed occurs in the petals of flowers. In nearly all flowers, the number of petals is one of the number that occur in the strange sequence 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and 89. For instance, lilies have 3 petals, buttercups have 5, many delphiniums have 8, marigolds have 13, asters have 21, and most daisies have 34, 55, or 89. The next thing that I have painted is the galaxy. According to page 4 and 5 of the book, Stewart mentioned that Johannes Kepler devised a simple and tidy theory for the existence of precisely 6 planets. In his time, only Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn were known. He also discovered a very strange pattern relating the orbital period of a planet, the time it takes to go once around the Sun, to its distance from the Sun. Next, I have painted the recurring patterns of sand dunes, which can be found on the 7th page of the book, and it states that even when the wind blows steadily in a fixed direction, sand dunes form. The simplest pattern is that of transverse dunes, which, just like ocean waves, line up in parallel straight rows at right angles to the prevailing wind direction. Next, I have painted the rainbow and the clouds. Colored arcs of light adorn the sky in the form of rainbows, and a bright circular halo sometimes surrounds the moon on winter nights. Clouds are wispy, formless, fuzzy clumps, yet there is a very distinctive pattern to clouds, a kind of symmetry which is closely related to the physics of cloud formation. Next, the animal prints, the stripes of tigers, zebras, and other animals. Nature's love of stripes and spots extends into the animal kingdom with tigers, leopards, zebras, and giraffes. The shapes and patterns of animals and plants are a happy hunting ground for the mathematically minded. Another pattern is the pattern in snowflakes. German astronomer Johannes Kepler argued that snowflakes must be made by packing tiny identical units together. This was long before the theory that matter is made of atoms had become generally accepted. In addition, no 2 snowflakes are ever exactly the same, but they all have 6-fold symmetry. The last pattern is the spiral of a snail's shell. In animals, the Fibonacci sequence is observed in snails and in the chambered shell of the Nautilus, which is a logarithmic spiral, or in a starfish with its 5 arms. Source www.toledoblade.com. So that's it guys. What I have painted earlier are just some of the examples mentioned in the chapter 1 in the book Nature's Numbers by Ian Stewart.
Mathematics gives us deeper understanding as to how things exist with pattern. We should always remember that we can also learn mathematics beyond the four corners of the classroom. It is also present in our nature, our universe rather. What I have said and shared to you guys are all based from the book of Ian Stewart, so I would still recommend you to read it. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this vlog, this video. I hope you learned a lot and hopefully see you next time. Thank you.